Hello, hello friends. Today in this video I will talking about volleyball history and what is the definition of volleyball. What is volleyball? Volleyball game played by two teams, usually of six players on a side, in which the players use their hands to bat a volleyball back and forth over a high net, trying to make the ball touch the court within the opponent's playing area before it can be returned. To prevent this, a player on the opposing team bats the ball up and toward a teammate before it touches the court surface. The teammate may they volley it back across the net or bat it to a third teammate who volleys it across the net. A team is allowed only three touches of the volleyball before it must be returned over the net. This is also the rule of volleyball and also a definition of volleyball. This is a player of Brazil. His name is Giba, who spike a volleyball. Yes, this is the history of volleyball. Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan, physical director of the Young Men's Christian Association (YMCA) in Holyoke. Holyoke, Massachusetts. It was designed as an indoor sport for businessmen who found the new game of basketball too vigorous. Morgan called the sport mintonette until a professor from Springfield College in Massachusetts noted the warring nature of play and proposed the name of volleyball. The original rules were written by Morgan and printed in the first edition of the official handbook of the Athletic League of Young Men's Christian Association of North America 1897. The game soon proved to wide to wide appeal for both sexes in school playgrounds, the armed forces, and other organizations in the United States, and it was subsequently introduced to other countries. In 1916, rules were issued jointly by the YMCA and the National Collegiate Athletic Association (NCAA). The first nationwide tournament in the United States was conducted by the National YMCA Physical Education Committee in New York City in 1922. The United States Volleyball Association (USVBA) was formed in 1928. The recognized as the rules making governing body in the United States from 1928. The USVBA, no, known as USA Volleyball USAV, has conducted annual national men's and senior men's age 13 and older volleyball championship, except during 1944 and 1945. Its women division was started in 1949 and a senior women's division age 30 and older was added in 1977. Other national events in the United States are conducted by member groups of the USAV, means date USA Volleyball, such as the YMCA and NCAA. Volleyball was introduced into Europe by American troops during World War I. when a national organization was formed. The Federation International de Volleyball FIVB was organized in Paris in 1947 and moved to Lausanne, Switzerland in 1984. The USVBA was one of the 13 character members of FIVB, whose membership grew to more than 210 member countries by the late 20th century. International volleyball competition began in 1913 with the Fast Far East Games in Manila. During the early 19th and hundreds and continuing until after World War II, volleyball in Asia was on a larger court with a lower net and 9 players on a team. The FIVB sponsored World Volleyball Championship for men only in 1947, for both men and women in 1952, and succeeding years led to acceptance of standardized playing rules and officiating. Volleyball became an Olympic sport for both men and women at the 1964 Olympic Games in Tokyo. European Championship were long dominated by a Czechoslovakian, Hungarian, Polish, Bulgarian, Romania, and Swiss. Later Russian teams at the world and Olympic level saw it. Teams have won more titles, both men's and women's, than those of any other nation. Their success was attributed to widespread grassroots interest and well organized play and instruction at all levels of skill. A highly publicized Japanese women's teams Olympic champions in 1964 reflected the interest of private industry in sport. Young women working for the sponsoring company devoted their free time to conditioning, team practice, and competition under expert and demanding coaches. Encouraged by the Japanese Volleyball Association, this volleyball team made its mark in international competition, winning the World Championship in 1962 and 1966 and 1967. In addition, in the 1964 Olympics at the end of the both 20th century, however, the Cuban women's team dominated both the World Championship and the Olympics. The Pan American Games involving South, Central, and North America added volleyball in 1955, and Brazil, Mexico, Canada, Cuba, and the United States are frequent contenders for top hours. In Asian, China, Japanese, and Korea dominated competition. Volleyball, especially beach volleyball, is played in Australia, New Zealand, and throughout the South Pacific. A 4 year cycle of international volleyball events recommended by the FIVB began in 1969 with the World Cup Championship to be held in the year following the Olympic Games. The second year is the World Championship. In the third of regional events are held. For example, European Championship, Asian Games, African Games, Pan American Games, and in the fourth year of Olympic Games. This is the beach volleyball photo. Beach volleyball. What is beach volleyball? Beach volleyball, played as its name implies, on a sand court with 2 players per team, was introduced in California in 1930. The first official beach volleyball tournament was held in 1948. Was Will Rogers State Beach in Santa Monica, California, and the first FIVB National World Championship was held in 1986 at Rio de Janeiro. Beach volleyball was added a roster of the 1916 Olympic Games in Atlanta, Georgia. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you will be able to know what is volleyball, what is the history of volleyball, and what is the rule of volleyball, and also uh, beach volleyball, what is beach volleyball. So thanks for watching. Hope you will be a good day.